Hi! Today I'm going to show you how to make these cute little gnomes.
Welcome to my channel!
The supplies you're going to need are fox fur, a foam cone, a Sharpie or a pen, pom-poms, scissors, a string or a ribbon, any color of socks, a wooden ball, and a glue gun. Okay, let's get started. First, mark the middle of the cone. This is where I'm going to put the nose. Next, glue the wooden ball to the cone. Then, cut a piece of fox fur. Mine is about 4 by 9 inches. Apply the glue to the fox fur. Now, attach the fox fur to the cone. Now place the socks over the cone just like this. Grab the string and tie the tip of the socks. To make the feet, tape the pom-pom and glue it to the bottom of the cone. Press firmly. Voila! It is done. Easy and super cute. This is how the gnomes look like when they're all done. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe and watch my other videos. Thank you for watching. Bye!